and welcome to day 7. Day 7 is about higher guidance, soul alignment, intuition, and the integration of your healed inner child. So stick with me for the next 10 to 15 minutes. This is the 852 Hertz, and it's the frequency of spiritual awakening and realignment with your highest self. It helps to dissolve illusions, to release old identities, and embody the healed version of yourself. This session integrates all healings from days 1 through 6. So if you haven't listened to those yet, please go back and listen in order. Remember, cell phones off. Find a nice, comfortable space where you will not be disturbed. And take a deep breath in and exhale gently. The 5 in and 5 out, a couple of times, activating the vagus nerve. And another breath in and release. And let your breath lighten. Your energy lift. And allow your whole body to open to something higher, something wiser, something even truer. This is the day you rise. Imagine a soft violet and white light descending from above you, pure, radiant, calming. This light surrounds your head, your shoulders, your entire body until you are immersed in a glow that feels like home. 852 Hertz vibrates through this field, opening intuition, awakening inner wisdom, and aligning you with your true self. And allow this frequency to lift you gently. Let it expand your awareness. And just let it open the door to truth. And imagine your inner child walking towards you. Notice something different about them. Maybe their posture is stronger, eyes are brighter, their energy is lighter, their presence is whole. This is the child who has been soothed, held, released from fear, freed from shame, loved deeply, and chosen fully, and now empowered to speak their truth, no longer afraid, and no longer carrying the past alone. They are ready to merge with the adult that you are becoming. And kneel down to them. Take their hands gently in yours and look into their eyes, not with pity, not with sadness, but with reverence, and say to them, "You are the purest part of me, and I am ready to live in alignment with your truth." And feel the connection between you strengthen. A golden light forming between your hearts. And feel the inner and outer self preparing to unite. And now pull them close in a loving embrace. And as you hold them, imagine their entire body dissolving into light, pure, warm, golden light that flows into your chest and integrates into your heart. You are becoming one. Their innocence merges with your wisdom. Their authenticity merges with your strength. Their joy merges with your purpose. You are whole again. And now see yourself standing tall, centered, embodied, radiating a soft, white, gold light from within. And now see yourself standing tall, centered, embodied, radiating a soft, white, gold light from within. The 852 Hertz lifts your energy higher, clearing the last remnants of old identities, old stories, old versions of you that no longer fit. Just let them fall away. Let them dissolve. You are stepping into the self you were always meant to be. And say with intention, I am whole, I am aligned, I am free. I honor my truth. I follow my inner guidance. I choose the life that is meant for me. And feel these words becoming your new foundation. And imagine a column of light extending upward from the crown of your head, connecting you to higher wisdom. Your soul, your intuition, your guides, your future self. You feel supported, you feel guided, and you feel deeply connected to something wiser than your past. And whisper, show me my path. guide me to it, what is meant for me, and help me step into my highest self. Feel the response, a soft warmth, a knowing, a clarity that begins to take shape. I now imagine a future version of you walking towards you, radiant, confident, peaceful, deeply aligned. Notice how they move. Notice how they breathe. And notice strength and serenity in their presence. This is you, healed, whole, integrated, awakened. Step two with them and merge with them. Feel your energy expanding as you integrate their wisdom, clarity, and purpose. You are stepping into your destiny, your life beyond trauma, your truth beyond fear, your self beyond limitation. And affirm, I embrace who I truly am. I release everything that is no longer mine. I welcome the life I am meant to live. I am aligned with my highest self. I am whole, healed, and free. And let these words settle into your entire being. And begin to return to your breath slowly, gently. Feel your body grounded, your heart open, your energy lifted. And begin to move your fingers and your toes, roll your shoulders, and bring the light back with you. Bring your wholeness back with you. Take one final breath in and exhale with a sense of newness. And when you're ready, open your eyes. You have returned to yourself. You are whole, you are aligned, and you are who you were always meant to be. And tomorrow is the bonus of day 8, where I teach you how to continue to do inner child work with yourself. Keep in mind that your energy is powerful. And as you work with the energy of these inner children, you are changing your reality because your body does not know the difference between real and imagined. Go ahead and like and subscribe if you haven't done so already.